I'm gonna do something stupid. Something that's gonna upset a lot of people. You know what? Don't give a shit. Let's start it. So, Casios. One, it's original. The other one, you know what I mean. So, I wanna test these things. Yeah, I want my beer back. I don't like it. Can this shit survive a normal fall? Let's find out. Of course, we're in England. It started raining. Great. Well, yeah. Both of them. Okay, fair enough. Next. Right, as they survived, and I had to retake the shot many times because I'm stupid. So it wasn't positioned well, so didn't see the thing falling. I think I had to do it 5 times. Fair enough. Next one is this. So now, let's see, it's gonna stay there for 24 hours. Let's see if this thing is gonna survive. It should. At least the original one. See you tomorrow. Something else that I need to show you, but I'm not in the mood to do it. All of them have some kind of problem. Make a new strap or things that I've missed the bloody thing here. This one is getting steam somehow, not sure. So everything has a problem. Broken glass, I'm not sure if I'm gonna fix that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna fix this shit. Anyway, but I'm not in the mood at all. Okay, that's 24 hours. Let's fish. Yeah. Oh my god. He did survive. Okay, I might have destroyed this trap, but unbelievable. They both survived. I'm speechless. Okay, let me dry this thing. Okay, so I was expecting truly for this to survive, because this is the original one. This strap is leather that I made. That's why it's not good. Anyway, I was expecting this to survive, to be waterproof. Even this strap is actually not destroyed. It's fine. I'm okay with that. I was expecting this result, but this one I wasn't. This is a completely shit one. And it did survive. Is it? It didn't. Look at that. Can you see inside? There's water in there. Look, it did survive, but there is water in there. Look at that. Look. It's there. Can you see? Let me check the other one. No, this is completely fine. This is absolutely fine. But this one, look at that. I'm wondering if I open it back, what I'm gonna see. Let's open it. see some humidity on here, but that's expected. But look, yeah, you can see, yeah, right. So it is not water resistant, at least not for 24 hours. Okay, fine. This one did survive. It's alive. It's fine. Okay, let me assemble this thing back again. They survived. Well, you saw it. Next. My question is, will it survive my car? Just survived. Has the rocks on the back damage, but it did survive. It is working. This one, not quite. Still working, but see the damage? Right, so as this one survived, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. As this one didn't survive, fine, I can remove this strap, put on this one. But there's nothing I can do much. I don't know if there's much I can do about this damage in the back, but fine. Okay, I have an idea. I forgot. My health device, Xiaomi shit, it broke. I tried to glue, didn't work. I tried to hit, didn't work. So I ordered a new one from China. But I don't think that's gonna arrive before do the video, but that's fine. Anyway, right, I removed this strap. Now I want to see what's gonna happen if I hit the back of this thing first. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Didn't work. Alright. Yeah. I might be hot. Yep. That's not what I wanted. Okay. That's not what I wanted. Fuck me, it's still worse. Unbelievable. It is. I'm not sure if it's working or not. Yeah, no, that's dead. That's dead. Let's end its suffering, shall we? I don't know where it is. Maybe I should have removed the battery first. Stupid. Alright, inside. No. Okay, there's a piece in here. One piece in here. Might be hot. No, really. One piece in here. Another piece in here. Another piece in here. Some piece in here. Some piece in there. Another one in here. But oh boy, I should have removed that as well. I can see something here. Okay, there's something else in here. Where's the rest of the watch? Okay, let me try to find it. Right, so I really don't know where the rest of the watch is. It's missing a lot of parts, but fine. I will probably find it one day when I decide to clean my workshop, but that's okay. So that's all that I could find. Yeah, I'm completely idiot. This is the most stupid thing we've ever done. But fine, don't do that at home, kids. That's stupid. Anyway, right. So if you watch to the end, let me know what you think. What should I do with the Survivor? That's the original thing. I will change it, the strap, because this one is bad now. What should I do with this? And what do you want to see next? Yeah, I'm gonna destroy more shit. And also, let me know how you want me to destroy it. As long as I have in my garage. See you next time. Bye. Oh, before I forget, I'm really excited to see how the cutting part gone. Because I couldn't see anything. Unfortunately, I do not have camera to see how do you say, slow motion, but maybe in the future, who knows. Yeah, we saying Gizio, I'm coming for you, brother. I forgot to take a picture for the thumbnail. Fuck me.